alligator, snappy and green. Snap, snap, snap. B is for bear, the biggest you've seen. Growl, growl, growl. C is for cat with soft white fur. Meow, meow, meow. D is for dog, a happy blur. Woof, woof, woof. A, B, C, D, animal friends for you and me. Sing their sounds, clap with glee. Let's learn our ABCs. E is for elephant, strong and tall. Toot, toot, toot. F is for fox, quick through the hall. Yip, yip, yip. Hip, hey. G is for goat, munching away. Ma, ma, ma. H is for horse, gallop and play. Neigh, neigh, neigh. Hey, E, F, G, H, animals are great. Hey, sing along so happily. Fun for you and me. I is for iguana, green and slow. J is for jaguar, fast as it goes. Roar, roar, roar. K is for kangaroo, hop, hop, hop. Boing, boing, boing. L is for lion, king on top. Rada! I, J, K, L, animals we know so well. Hey, jump and sing, come and see. Fun in the jungle, ABC. M is for monkey, swinging high. Ooh, ah. N is for nightingale, singing by. Tweet, 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 tweet. O is for owl, who loves the night. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Janice. P is for penguin, black and white. Waddle, waddle, waddle. Janice. M, N, O, P. Animal fun for you and me. Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. Learning is so easy. Q is for quail, tiny and quick. Peep, peep, peep. R is for rabbit, hop and skip. Thump, thump, thump. S is for snake, sliding slow. S, S, S. T is for tiger, ready to go. Run! Q, R, S, T. Sing with me so cheerfully. Move and dance, full of glee. Animals A to Z. U is for unicorn, magic and bright. Neigh, neigh, neigh. V is for vulture, soaring in flight. Squawk, squawk, squawk. W is for whale, deep in the sea. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. X is for X-ray, fish, shiny and free. Blub, blub, blub. U, V, W, X. Who's coming next? Sing along so merrily. Animal world, ABC. Y is for yak, furry and tall. Snort, snort, snort. Z is for zebra, stripes for all. Clip, clop, clip, clop. Y and Z, hooray, hooray.